Hello, welcome to Code with Edison. Today we are going to see about data science. So in this video we are also going to see about what is data and what is data science and why data science. So let's go into the video. Like what is data? Data is an individual unit that contains raw materials which do not carry any specific meaning. So what we are trying to say here is like my name is Edison and my gender is male, and we can clearly see like that Edison and my gender male is both related to myself, but individually these two words doesn't have any dependent information. So that is what I have said in next line, like data doesn't depend on information. So this is a basic overview like what is data. So next we can see like what is data science. So data science is a domain of study that deals with data using modern tools and techniques to find unseen pattern, derive meaningful information and make business decisions accordingly. So let's imagine you are having a 10-year-old tea shop. In the tea shop you will be facing different age oriented and different gender oriented people coming to your shop for the past 10 years. So uh, let's assume you are having a data of the person who is coming to your shop, like what's their name, gender, like the what's the purchase they are doing, and what's the amount, and like yeah, we are having this kind of data. This is enough for a basic understanding. So we are having this kind of data. So like we are having this kind of data for the past 10 years, and we can derive information like which of the products are selling heavy in your in your shop, and which product is not selling the least, and which age group of people is coming to your shop, and what are the peak hours you are having the most sales, and which hours having the very least sales, and which month is having the very most sales, and which month is having the very less sales. Like we can derive multiple information by using this data. So we can clearly see like in from this sentence, like data science is a domain of study that deals with data using modern tools and technique to find unseen patterns. So these patterns cannot be seen from our visible eye, so we are using our modern tools and technique to see this and derive meaningful information. Like this information we are deriving from the data can be used in a very perfect way to improve our business decisions, so that gives our monetary benefits in a very long way. So we are using data science in such a way, we can use data science in a very such a way. So we can use data science in many ways, like I am saying for a simple understanding. I'm saying like next, like data science uses machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. So we will be seeing like what is machine learning algorithms and predictive models and all. So we will be seeing on the coming videos. So let's have an outlook, like we will be using machine learning algorithms and to build the predictive models. Just have it in mind, not other than that. And like the data used for analysis can came from many different sources and presented in various formats. Like you are a person, as a person we will be having a multiple phases in our life. Like if you are having a very best friend, they will intentionally say like he's a very bad person, but if someone is coming to you and ask them, like they will be giving information like he is very good. And someone who is not who is negative to your situation, so they will be saying like he is a very bad person. So we will be having a different kind of data for ourselves itself. So we for a thing we will be having a multiple kind of information that comes to various formats. So it doesn't depend on one source. It data comes from various different sources of formats. So this is an overall idea. I'm saying like what is data science. This is not a whole one. We will be seeing the other things in our future videos, like the coming videos. So let's have our outlook on this, and let's go to why data science. It is an attempt to understand the data to the extent it possible to make friendship with data. So let's say we are are Ram and Shiva are two friends who is coming to your tea shop, like our previous example, for the past 10 years. So like Ram is an teaholic, and uh, he drives to drink tea whenever he is possible to drive. And Shiva is a coffee lover, so whenever he comes to your shop, he will be having a coffee with you. So you will be having a basic understanding, like for the past 10 years, when these two people come to your shop, they will be having a tea and coffee with you. So if we have the data, as we are having the data, we can surely say to an extent, like if Ram is going to, whether Ram is going to have tea or coffee, means we can definitely say like is Ram is going to have tea, and Shiva is going to have a tea or coffee, means we can definitely say like Shiva is going to take a coffee. So we can understand, we can make an attempt to understand the data to the extent. So I am saying here, like we cannot make an 100% decision, we can make an decision to the extent it possible. So that's why we are making friendship with data. So that's what I am trying to say here. So from this I believe that you are having an basic understanding about data, and what is data science, and why we are using data science. So for the next videos we will be seeing these information in an in-depth manner, so we can get clarified by our doubts that emerges from seeing this video. So I just want to put in your comments in your comment sections to let me know like what you are expecting and what your doubts and other clarifications. So I will be clearing all of these as much as possible. And next we will be having the video thoroughly after this. So stay tuned for our video, and if you like the video, share it, and subscribe our channel, so it makes a pretty good difference. And see you all in the next video. Love you all. Cheers. Bye.